Okay, so this one asks us to solve by using the quadratic formula. So first we need to know the quadratic formula, and I'm going to tell you a story to help you to remember that. Here's how I remember it. Let me get a pen instead of numbers. Okay. A negative boy couldn't decide to attend a radical party, so he decided to be square and miss out on 4 awesome chicks, and the party wasn't over until 2 a.m. Okay, now that we have our formula, let's take a look at the things that we need to plug into our formula. So looking at this quadratic, we see that it's not set equal to 0, and we need it to be set equal to 0. So we're going to subtract 24 to both sides, and that's going to leave us with x squared minus 2x minus 24. And now we can start plugging these things into our formula. So let's take a look at our a term. Our a term is this imaginary 1 right here. Our b term is negative 2, and our c term is negative 24. So let's plug that into our formula. Negative b. Looking at our b is already a negative, so we're going to take the opposite of that. So we're going to take a positive 2. And I think I'm going to do that in green so you can see it better. Alright, so we have a positive 2 plus or minus big square root b squared. It's going to be negative 2. And I'm going to put that on the inside. Negative 2 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is negative 24. Okay, what I would do is to put this whole term right here into your calculator exactly as shown. So I would put second square root, parentheses, that's very important, negative 2 squared minus 4, and you can put this directly into your calculator and it will give you an answer. If you want to do it by hand, that's cool too, and I'll show you what that looks like. So negative, and before I get any further, I forgot the 2a. So 2 times a of 1, we know that the bottom is still going to be 2. So let's take a look at by hand what that would look like. Negative 2 times negative 2 is going to give us 4. And let's look at our PEMDAS. We need to multiply before we can subtract. We need to multiply before we can subtract or add. So we have 2 squared here. Negative 4 times 1 is going to give us a negative 4. And then we're multiplying that times negative 24. So a negative 4 times a negative 24 is a positive 96. So we're going to have 4 plus 96, which is going to give us our square. And then we're going to put that's still in the square root. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So here's the rewritten problem. 2 plus or minus, and we have simplified all of this into square root of 100 all over 2. So now's where it comes into play with this plus and the minus, and we know that the square root of 100 is 10, so we can have one of our problems look like this: 2 plus 10 divided by 2. And then